Marhaba, Jana.
Mahaba.
Where are we going today?
To shopping.
We're gonna do shopping and learn about vegetables, fruits, and meat and dairy. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Jana, what's that?
That's a banana.
Banana?
Can I
Banana is moz. Can you say moz?
more?
Moz. Banana.
If it back.
Jana, what's that?
That's a pineapple.
Pineapple is ananas. Can you say ananas? Ananas.
There's a yellow there.
Jana, what do you have in your hand?
That's enough.
Anab is grapes.
Grapes.
Anab.
Enough.
What is that, Jana?
That's a spicy lemon.
That's a lemon.
That's spicy.
Can you say lemon?
Lemon.
Laymoon.
This is spicy.
Can you say laymoon?
Lemon.
Look, Jana, there's apples. Tufah. Can you say tufah?
There's a red one too.
Apples. So, Jana, what do you call one apple?
It's big and
It's a
big.
tufaha.
I can eat it.
Can you say tufaha?
Tufaha.
Apple.
Apple.
Look, Jana, there's tomatoes. Tomatum. Do you have a tomato?
Yeah.
Tomatum.
Tomato.
What is that in there?
That's bakhish and that's the big one.
Batikh.
That's big.
Watermelon. Can you say batikh? Watermelon. Jana, what is that?
That's bag of potatoes.
Those are potatoes.
Mashed potato.
No, it's potatoes. Can you say batatas?
Potato.
Batatas.
Potatoes.
What is that one, Jana? That's a cantaloupe. Can you say cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe.
Shumam.
Mmm.
Shumam. Jana, what is this one over here?
Khayar.
Khiyar.
Can you hold it?
It's cucumber. Can you say cucumber?
Cucumber.
Khiyar.
I got one.
Cucumber. What is this one? Can you say badinjan?
Balanjan. We have to buy
Eggplant. Can you say eggplant?
eggplant.
Okay, Jana. What is this one?
This one is
Can you
kusa.
show me?
Kusa.
That's kusa. Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Jana, what is this one?
Pear.
That's a pear. Ijasa.
Jasa.
And when we have many of them, we say ijas.
Jas.
Pears.
Pear.
And one is ijasa.
Jasa.
Pear. What are those, Jana?
These are. Can I hold them?
That's burtukal.
How?
Oranges. Burtukal. You want to grab one?
I wanna grab a big one.
Okay, pick one, Baba.
This.
One is called burtukala.
Portocala.
Burtukala.
Portocala.
Orange. Jana, look at these different kinds of pepper.
Can I grab
They
one?
come in different colors, but
Can I-
they're all the same family.
Can I get the
Can you say pepper? Full. What is this one, Jana?
This is
This is a cabbage.
cabbage.
Malfouf.
What is it?
Can you say malfouf?
Mushroom.
Cabbage.
Only use the biggest one.
What is this one, Baba?
This is so big.
That's a big carrot. Jazar.
Treasure.
Jazar. This one is celery.
Can I hold it?
Celery. Karfas. Show me, Jana, what is that?
That.
Those are green onions. Can you say basal? Basal. Onions. Hey, Jana, that looks like a tree, but what is that, Baba?
That.
Parsley.
Parsley.
بقدونس. بقدونس. What is this one?
Bugsy.
That's خبز.
Oh.
Pita bread. خبز. What is this one, Jana? That's zaytun. Can you say zaytun? Olives. Zaytun. Jana, what are those? Those are sweets. Can you say sweets? حلويات. حلويات. Those are meats. There are different types of meats. In Arabic we say luhum. Luhum. So Jana, this one is called beef. Can you say beef? لحم بقر. لحم بقر. Beef. This meat, Baba, is called dajaj. Chicken. لحم دجاج. Chicken. Jana, what is this one?
This is
Halib
Halib.
is milk.
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 Halib. Jana, what's inside the cart? What is that?
That's lots of fixed eggs.
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 Bed.
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 Eggs.
Eggs.
Did you have fun, Jana?
Yeah.
What do you say to everybody? مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Goodbye.
Bye.